Hi, what's your name?
Anna.
How old are you?
So,
How old are you, and what's your bike's name?
Minty.
That's your bike, Minty? Okay, show us what you can do. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh yeah. I hear the I want you to film me. Turn rock and the moon.
Here's the tunnel. What? Go.
This way?
Yep.
Let's go.
I'm right behind you.
Is this the place?
Yep. Watch where you're going. Whee! Want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was so easy.
That was fun.
We have to go down.
Make it?
Can you help me?
Help you what?
Help me.
Help what?
Help.
Help you get on the next one?
Okay.
Swing.
I can't.
You can do it. Try. Swing hard. Or just drop down.
Remember that place where we always go down that hill?
Uh-huh.
Can we go down there?
Yeah. You got the itch?